Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character Sheng step by step. I will first write it in regular script, then following one word and one sentence. Now, let's write. Sheng, Sheng sound, voice,名声，名声 reputation, 名声 reputation. For example, this is not the reputation we want. This is not the reputation we want. This is not the reputation we want. 这种名声不是我们想要的。这种名声不是我们想要的。这种名声不是我们想要的。不是我们想要的。This is not the reputation we want. 这种名声不是我们想要的。My daily handwriting on the character Sheng. Sheng, sound, voice, 名声 reputation. This is not the reputation we want. 这种名声不是我们想要的。声 Please comment any words or sentence with the character Sheng. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.